The Ebonyi State Children's Christmas Party at the Presidential Lodge, New Government House, Centenary City, Abakaliki was nothing short of magical. It wasn't just your average holiday gathering, it was a heartwarming celebration filled with joy, music, games, and pure holiday cheer. This year, the event truly embraced the Christmas spirit, bringing together children from all 13 local government areas of Ebonyi State. It wasn't just about the festivities, it was about creating lasting memories and fostering unity among the children in Ebonyi State. The event took place at the stunning Presidential Lodge, and the setting was nothing less than impressive. The elegant surroundings combined with the infectious energy of the children created an atmosphere that felt like something straight out of a Christmas fairy tale. The lodge's beauty was the perfect backdrop for the day's activities, and it added an extra touch of class to the entire celebration. What really stood out for me was the sheer effort and care put into ensuring that each children felt special. The event wasn't just about having fun, it was about making every child feel cherished during the season of love and giving. The organizers left no stone unturned. They made sure that the children were not just entertained, but also deeply immersed in the Christmas spirit. And who is the brain behind all of this? It's none other than the First Lady of Ebonyi State, Chief Mrs. Mary Modlin. Gifts were showered upon these children, from toys to clothes to books and all sorts of goodies. The children's eyes sparkled with excitement as they received their surprises. But it wasn't just about the presents, it was the joy of dancing, playing games, and sharing laughs with other children. And like I said, let's not forget the woman behind the success of this heartwarming event, Chief Mrs. Mary Modlin, the First Lady of Ebonyi State. She has quickly earned the reputation as one of the best and most hardworking First Ladies in Nigeria, and it's easy to see why. Her dedication to the well-being of Ebonyi and a constant drive to make a difference is unparalleled. Through initiatives like this Christmas party, she was not just spreading joy, but also setting an example of true leadership. The First Lady's tireless efforts in uplifting the lives of the people, especially the children, have made her a standout figure in Nigerian politics. Her compassion, her dedication, and unwavering commitment to her role have earned her the admiration and respect of not just Ebonyi State, but the entire nation. She has proven time and again that her passion for service goes beyond the political realm. Her work as First Lady has not only uplifted the lives of the less fortunate, but has also put Ebonyi State on the map as a model of progress and compassion. It's no wonder that she's now earning the title of one of the best and most hardworking First Ladies in Nigeria. Her actions speak louder than words, and the results of her hard work are evident in the joy and unity that events like this bring to the community. As the event wrapped up, it was clear that the children left with more than just gifts. They left with a sense of belonging and happiness that will carry them through the year. The Christmas spirit wasn't just a one-day affair. It was something that would resonate in their hearts long after the party was over. For many of these children, this was more than just a fun event. It was a reminder that they are loved, they are valued, and cared for by their leaders. In the end, the Ebonyi State Children's Christmas Party was a beautiful celebration of unity, love, and giving, and it showcased the incredible efforts of Chief Mrs. Mary Modlin, whose dedication to our people continues to make a lasting impact. It was a day of laughter, joy, and unforgettable memories. Proof that no matter the challenges, the spirit of Christmas can bring people together and brighten lives. You are watching Ebonyi People TV.